Draw a crescent on your fabric. I use the embroidery hoop as a template. Take the smaller hoop and draw a circle on your fabric, then move the hoop across so that it intersects part of the circle you drew. Draw around the section of the hoop that is creating a crescent shape in the circle. Put your fabric in the embroidery hoop so that it is nice and tight. Choose a yarn and use it to sew a patch in your crescent shape. Feel free to do a basic stitch such as back or straight stitch. Don't fill the crescent, just cover a little bit of it. Choose another yarn or floss and sew another section. You can use a different stitch or continue with the one you started with. Keep going until you have filled the crescent. Because I used a heat reactive pen to mark out my crescent, I'm now ironing the piece to get rid of the lines. Be careful when you do this because you don't want to flatten the stitches. You can also use a hairdryer.